So for now, while we've got a little bit of time left, if you want to play around or you want to work on other projects, that's fine. Here are some things to try and do to set you up for our module 16 project. Uh, Try playing around with os.list directory. This is a command that will help you, that will list files in a directory. Try figuring out how you can use a menu to load. If you can list files, see if you can use a menu to allow a user to load an image. Try creating a custom function that filters an image, where you pass it an image as a parameter and then it returns the image after it's been edited. Practice saving an edited image. Of course, practice opening images and editing them, basically. But think about how you would edit an image and how an image editing program would work. And then on our next class session, once we get a little bit more info, I'll actually show you an image editing program that I created, and it'll give you an idea of how all of this works. But that is the basic assignment. For module 16, I do want to make sure to frame this correctly. There's a whole lot of creative freedom in modules 16, 17, 18, 19. These are modules where I want you to just kind of do something using these tools. So there's a lot more creative freedom. There's not a really tight standard of exactly what I'm looking for. It's more, I want you to play around with this stuff and spend some time figuring it out if that's an area of interest for you.